Hi babes and welcome to my channel. How are you? I am actually super excited because today I have something really special to show you. It's a mini haul from one of my favorite brands, Killstar, and I can't wait to show you guys what I got from them. I already unboxed everything for a TikTok video, so if you're following me there, you may have seen it already, but if you're not, don't worry because I'm gonna show you everything in detail right now. I am gonna start with my favorite thing from the haul. The first item I want to show you today is the Immortal Coil handbag. I have a ton of handbags, but I've got to say this is my absolute favorite, and I have the iconic corset bag from the Vesmedinia, a lot of Coffin handbags, and a few with bat wings, but okay, this is simply perfect. It comes with this removable chain that you can attach here. This handbag features a very beautiful silver bat on the front as well as all those Baroque appliques here. It is made of suede and a fake leather. Everything is synthetic. And on the back it has a zipper with a small pocket. It's really tiny, so this is probably just for your cell phone. And it also has the brand here, Killstar. Apart from the removable chain, it also has this thingy here, so if you don't want to wear it with a chain, you don't have to. I believe it's a lot more elegant if you remove the chain, but of course, less comfortable. So let's open it now. It opens with a zipper that goes almost all the way around the handbag, and the inside is pretty big. You could fit a lot of things here. It has two small compartments here. I'm not sure if you can see them. And then it also has another zipper on this side. And of course it has a lot of room for everything you may need. I usually have trouble finding handbags that I actually like and that have room for everything I need to carry with me. Most of the time the beautiful ones are like little coffins or little purses where you can barely fit anything. So I'm really happy to have finally found something that's big, elegant and beautiful, and it's really perfect for my style. So as soon as I saw this handbag, I knew I had to have it because it's just perfect. I forgot to tell you that I already removed the tag because I wanted to use the handbag for a photo shoot, and it's already in my room as decoration. But this is the tag that it came with, and it was really well packaged. I did an unboxing on TikTok, so I might include it here so you can see that everything was super protected. I was actually surprised by the amount of protective material that it had, so I will include that video somehow. Next thing I want to show you is this gorgeous Bodycon dress. This is the tag it comes with. It's the same as the handbag. It is called the Ville Midi dress, and it's a little bit longer than what I usually wear. Since I am very short, I usually go with mini dresses, but sometimes midi dresses are really beautiful, especially if they're very tight like this one. My absolute favorite thing about this dress are the caps. As soon as I saw this collection, I fell in love with it. It's similar to a bullet bra, but not as extreme as those ones. And the caps have a spiderweb pattern, which is so beautiful and so original. The sides are made of a semi-see-through material, but they have two layers. I'm not sure if you can see that right now, but it makes it not so transparent, so you can actually go out with it. When I cut it, I thought it would be too transparent and I would only be able to use it for photo shoots, but when I put it on, I realized it was not as see-through as I imagined, and I can actually go out with it, which is great because I adore this dress. I adore bodycon dresses because I really like how they look like on me, and I'm obsessed with this one. I admit I've already tried it on and it fits perfectly. I got this dress in a size XS and I feel that it fits true to size. I usually wear that size and it fits me perfectly. The only thing that I think I should mention is that the caps are pretty small. They are really good for me, but if you're very skinny but have really big boobs, it might be a little tight around that area. By the way, the zipper can be opened on the bottom of the dress, so you didn't have to suffer the consequences of wearing a long bodycon dress. I am very grateful for that because I've stopped using long pencil skirts because I absolutely hate not being able to move properly. So I'm real happy this one can be open at the bottom. And finally, yes, I was leaving the biggest thing for the end. I got this beautiful velvet and brocade dress. I'm not sure if you can see it properly because I know black velvet is really difficult to catch on camera. But look at these sleeves. Oh my god, they're just perfect. I really like this dress. It also comes with the same tag as the previous ones, as well as this one in here. This dress is from the Daughters of a Dracula collection. It is probably my favorite collection from Killstar so far. And I got both the handbag and this dress from that collection. If you know me, you know I love everything vampire themed. It's my obsession. So when I saw the lookbook for this collection, I was in love with everything. It was very difficult to pick just a couple of things because everything was so beautiful and so me. For those of you who don't know me, this is how I actually dress, and I have dressed for 15 years. And vampires are my obsession. I love everything with vampires. I collect anks and stuff like that. So whenever a brand I like releases a vampire themed collection, I go totally crazy and I want everything. But let me show you how this looks like on because it's really gorgeous. I also got this dress in a size XS, but it is a little bit big for me, especially around the waist. So I would say if you're in between sizes, size down for this one because at least for me it was a little bit too big and I got it in my usual size. My absolute favorite thing about this dress are the sleeves. They are made of lace. The lace is very soft and really beautiful. And then they have this brocade detail here. I really like that they're open because if you're eating or doing anything, they won't bother you. But if you're just resting, they will look really gorgeous. They're pretty big, as you can probably tell. And I think they look fantastic. Something else I also love about this dress is the front part. It has black mesh with brocade on top. It's really gorgeous. It makes it look like a bustier or something like that. I really like how well this area is constructed and how beautiful it looks. The only thing I wish is that it was a little bit smaller because for me it's a little bit loose around the waist area. And I think it would look a lot better if it was really tight. Especially because the velvet material is a little bit stretchy, so it would be possible to make a very tight dress with this material. I think it would look even better. But even now, I think it's gorgeous. I hope you can see all the details in this dress because it's gorgeous, but I know it's very difficult to capture black velvet on camera. So I will see what I can do in post. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. It is definitely one of my all-time favorites, together with another vampy haul that I did a few months ago. But everything I tried on today was really gorgeous. I am so grateful to have brands releasing vampire themed things because that's of course my favorite thing ever. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite item in this haul. I think I'm gonna go with a handbag, but everything was really gorgeous and I'd love to see what's your favorite piece or if you got anything from Killstar lately. I would also like to know if there's anything you would like to see here on this channel. I have a lot of ideas for content, but I would love to see what you guys are interested in. So don't forget to tell me in the comments. I really hope you have a wonderful week and I will see you in the next video. Bye!